How to replace a 2020 Buick Encore 3-button smart key battery. Presented by SgtLocksmith. For this task you will need the following: 1 flat tip screwdriver and 1 CR2032 battery. Time to complete this task approximately 2 minutes. The SgtLocksmith channel gives no warranty and accepts no responsibility or liability for the accuracy or completeness of the information and materials contained in this video. Under no circumstances will SgtLocksmith nor Specialist C. Brown be held responsible or liable in any way for any claims, damages, losses, expenses, costs or liabilities whatsoever, including, without limitation, any direct or indirect damages for loss of profits, business interruption or loss of resulting or arising directly or indirectly from your use of inability to use this video or any videos linked to it, or from reliance on the information provided in this video. And now here's SgtLocksmith.
Alright, let's go ahead and change the battery here out on our remote. This is your 3-button Buick. So, with this one here, if the keyring is attached right here, go ahead and leave it on. Hit your emergency release on the back right here, and when you do, the emergency key will come out. Now you can use this, or you can turn around and use a flat tip. Myself, I found the flat tip works a lot easier on getting inside here, but we'll do it with this since this is probably what you'll have. If you look down inside here, you'll notice you can slide your emergency key down. Make sure it's towards the top here. You'll slide it down and you'll feel it hit part of the housing. You don't want it to drop all the way in. Get it right to where it hits that housing, and then just twist your remote, and you'll notice it cracks its side open. There, once you get to that point, turn around and probably 2 halves open. Now you notice the remote comes apart. Don't worry, take the little rubber piece, tip it over on its side. Be careful with this, because your board's gonna come all out at once. Sometimes they'll stick in there, sometimes it won't. Go ahead and put everything back together the way it was. Put that housing back in. And you notice how it sits in there nicely. You got that done. Take that flat tip. You notice you got little plastic tabs. Do not pry on them. There's a little spot here and here. Put it under the screwdriver under the battery and just twist it up. You'll notice it'll be a little tight. Just have patience and it comes out. There you go. There's your CR2032 battery. Put your positive side down, and when you go in, put that end down first, because it'll sit under a little lip. Then push your battery in. Squeeze the 2 halves together. And go around. You notice it's all sealed up. Put your emergency key back in. There you go. Now, we're using new remotes on these. When you're done with it, hit your lock or unlock button, see if it works. Thanks again for watching.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below.